How to delete fancily highlights. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video we will discuss how you can delete fancily highlights. So let's start. First of all, go to fancy.com, then after log into your account. After you have logged into your account, you will come to the home screen like this. Now in order to delete your fancily highlights or any of your fancily posts, you can simply tap on your profile on the top left. Then after go to media collection. Now at this stage, you will find all the albums or photos or videos that you have uploaded on fancily platform. Furthermore, you will also find the highlights that you have uploaded. Now if you want to delete some of them, you can simply tap and select a single or multiple files that you want to remove. After you have selected all the files or the highlights that you want to delete, tap on the action icon, which is also the settings icon. As you tap on it, you will find the option called remove selected items. So simply tap on the remove option and all of your highlights or photos or videos will be deleted. So in this way you can easily delete your fancily highlights. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.